Alright, Dell Do-It-Yourself fans, welcome back to the channel. If you could like and subscribe, we'd super appreciate it for more product reviews, food reviews, movie commentary, and more. So today we're bringing you the Pokemon Happy Meal box. This is a special edition recent thing there McDonald's is offering. So we just ordered a Big Mac with it. Actually, this doesn't look much like a Big Mac. This isn't a Big Mac at all.
Wait, why would a Big Mac be a Happy Meal?
Just keep it going.
Pretty slim for a...
Oh, it's a kid's meal.
Yeah, kids' meals don't have Big Macs, people.
You did ask for a hamburger.
I did. Yeah, we got the standard hamburger with ketchup and pickles. Tastes just okay.
Better or worse than a cheeseburger?
Worse.
Okay. Sorry.
Yeah, it's kid-sized food, so what do you expect? Wait, where did the apple slice? There should be apple slices in this.
They're not?
I'm pretty sure I asked for apple slices when she
Don't worry
chose.
about that for now. What about the actual toy?
So with the box, you get a special Pokemon, looks like a little card holder, but when you open it up, you pop it open like that, you get a little Pokemon Match Battle card for the Pokemon trading card game.
Guess which Pokemon it is before you open it.
Yes. Pikachu. I'm hoping to get lucky. I'm not too sure. I'm gonna say Pikachu at least. Oh wait, oh. We already got something good.
Ooh. What is it?
Cetitan? Oh, evolves from Citadel? Yeah, we
Cool
got
card
that.
art.
Oh, we got a Scyslizard. That's good, right? That's good. Alright, we got Flittle and Blissey.
So no Pikachu.
No Pikachu. So I wonder if this is a chance for like any deck or any card in the collection so far.
And
what's cool about these? Imagine getting Pokemon cards only through Happy Meals. Alright, what's cool about this? So what I'm gonna do, so there's little Pikachu ears you can put on the box. I'm trying to punch this out. Come on. Yeah, you can pop this guy out. So we got little Pikachu ears. Rip it out like that. Close it up. Get your slot in there. Come on. So there's little slots for these Pikachu ears you can use. You just stick it in there like that.
Could you give us a Pikachu impression?
Pika Pika! Oh yeah, look at that. It does fit. It does fit in there. Look.
You might have to rotate the box.
Here. Because I gotta be able to see the box too. And fit it in there. Yeah, just like that. And there it is. There you have it. Yeah, you get a cool little Pokemon puzzle on the side. So this has been the Pokemon trading card Happy Meal box. Bye-bye.